When you speak, small mistakes happen automatically. Stop saying these sentences. In the next few minutes, we will fix the most common English speaking mistakes. In this video, we will try to learn common English mistakes. So welcome back to my channel, Upgrade English Pro. So let's begin. Number 1. She is speaking lie. So let's find out the mistake in the sentence. Here, using of speaking is wrong. So let's find out the reason. Using of speaking is wrong because in English we do not use speak plus lie together. The word lie already has its own verb. So to lie means to say something untrue. So we do not need another verb like speak. So speak a lie is wrong. Tell lie is again wrong. So the correct sentence is she is lying. Number 2. She is younger to me. So let's find out the mistake in the sentence. Here using of to is wrong because in comparative adjectives always use than to compare two people or things. Examples of comparative adjectives are older, younger, taller. So the structure is subject plus comparative adjective plus than plus object. She is younger than me. He is taller than his brother. So easy way to understand is if adjective ends with er, use than, like bigger than, faster than, younger than. The correct sentence is she is younger than me. Number 3. He is not good by English. So let's find out the mistake. Here using of by is wrong because let's find out the reason. Using of by is wrong because when we are talking about skills and ability, always use at. So good at plus subject plus activity or skill. So we say good at English, good at maths, good at singing. So the correct sentence is he is not good at English. Number 4. She has less friends. So let's find out the mistake in the sentence. Here using of less is wrong. Instead of less, so because less is uncountable nouns, things you cannot count like less water, less sugar, less time. So instead of less, we should use few because few is a countable nouns, things we can count like few students, few books, few friends. So we can understand by this when we are talking about number, use few. When we are talking about quantity, use less. So less cars is wrong, few cars. Few milk is wrong, less milk. So the correct sentence is he has few friends. Number 5. He is absent today because of fever. So let's find out the mistake. Here using of because of is wrong when we use because of used with action verbs. He missed the class because of fever. Here action verb is missed, that is why we use because of. So he is absent today because of fever. Instead of because of, we should use due to because used after linking verbs is, was, where, that is more formal and more correct. So the correct sentence is he is absent today due to fever. So start correcting these sentences from today. You will notice an immediate change in your speaking. So comment below which mistake do you use most. I will fix it in the next video. So please like, follow and subscribe this channel. Thank you.